Good morning, everybody, and it does look like we're having a flag form here on the Dow Jones. So strong move up last week above 37,900, and it looks like we are finding support. I'm going to drop the level down to this pin bar here at 37,843. That does look like an inside bar on the hour. That does look like a flag onto structure. The only thing that is against us is the oscillators, or are the oscillators, should I say. So that's the only problem that we do see that's going to hinder a move to the upside. Now, when we look at the 3 hour, different picture completely. We have a move down on structure, inside bar, and then we've got a little bit of a gap up this morning. So this is looking interesting. Oscillators have separated. They are pointing down, but they have separated. So we need to just put a trend line in here. There it is there. And if you draw one on the bottom, that'll give you your flag. So don't forget to hit that like button for us. Every little bit of interaction with the channel does help. Now, looking at price action from yesterday, sideways, and then we dropped, and we haven't really recovered, although the S&P has had a pretty solid breakout to the upside. But I suspect that's fueled by tech stocks. And remember, the Dow has only got 30 stocks in it, so, and predominantly the largest 30. At the moment, I don't fancy jumping in any direction. But one good thing is that the gap is closed. The weekly gap is now closed. But we probably should be looking for the next level. I think that's probably a safer bet. You can see this pin bar here, and it's a fractal as well, so that is a fairly decent level. And then I'm just going to fine tune that. So we're going to pick up the fractal there at 38,144, and we're going to pick up this one at 38,055. That's my trend line. You can see how we've come up to it, and now we're just running sideways. Moving averages are flat, so pretty much when you get down to the lower time frames, this is going to indicate a bit of a range. There's my bit of a range, a bit of a messy move up, but that is inside bar, engulfing bar, so that's exactly what we're looking for of structure, and that is 37,843. So I don't think we need to pay too much attention to 37,843. I think we should rather be paying attention to this area here at 37,946. But to be honest, I would rather wait for a break of 37,971, because that is going to break through the trend line. So it would be break, pullback, retest, and then I'd have some confidence that this is moving to the upside. At the moment, oscillators are flat, no real structure there. Yesterday was pretty much all over the place, but more favoring the downside. So I don't think there's a clear indication of what we need to do just yet on the Dow. S&P, yes. DAX looking a little bit, looking very similar to the Dow as it normally does, but it does look a little bit different in that there's possibly something brewing. So yeah, I think that's my view at the moment. The only thing that would get me looking at longs would be, at shorts, would be a break below the low of yesterday. So I am favoring the longs, but I want structure, and the only structure I can see is a break of 37,971. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.